In a world where ancient warriors and futuristic technology collide, one hero rises to unite them both. Imagine Iron Man, not in his usual armor, but reborn as a fierce samurai warrior, balancing honor, strength, and intellect. Today, I'll take you on a journey as we bring this incredible vision to life, from the first sketch to the final brushstroke. Every great hero starts with an idea, a concept that takes root and evolves. We begin by sketching the foundation of our samurai Iron Man. The goal is to merge the iconic Iron Man armor with the traditional elements of a samurai, a warrior whose strength is rooted in discipline and honor. Notice how we maintain Tony Stark's iconic helmet design but add flares of a samurai's kabuto, creating a fusion of old world and high-tech. Now that the foundation is set, it's time to refine the details. The samurai armor is an intricate balance of form and function, designed to protect while allowing agility. Iron Man's suit, too, must embody this balance. Watch as we add intricate patterns to the chest plate, drawing inspiration from the traditional samurai armor, and the iconic arc reactor in the center that powers this warrior. With the structure now in place, it's time to solidify this warrior. Inking is where the character's presence truly comes to life. The dark lines bring power and permanence to the design, much like the unshakable resolve of a samurai. Notice how the curves and lines of the armor add not only strength but elegance, reflecting the duality of Tony Stark's brilliance and the samurai's honor. Now, we breathe color into the illustration. Iron Man's iconic red and gold remain, but with a twist. The samurai armor hints at the upcoming transition from iconic hero to a malevolent villain, Dr. Doom. These colors not only represent Tony Stark, but also the ancient strength of a samurai tradition. As the light hits our warrior, we see how the armor comes alive. Shading adds depth, creating the illusion of weight and strength. The highlights on the metal surfaces reflect the advanced technology of Iron Man. While the samurai's armor also gets the green metallic vibe. It's in these final details that the character begins to step out of the cage, ready for battle. And now, the final touches. Every samurai knows that it's in the smallest details that the true strength of a warrior is revealed. We add beams of light, subtle textures, and motion effects to give our samurai Iron Man the presence of a hero ready to fight for both honor and the future. The journey is complete, but the legend lives on. Our samurai Iron Man is complete, a fusion of Tony Stark's brilliant mind and the timeless honor of the samurai warrior. What if our heroes existed in ancient times? This is one vision of that alternate history. Let me know which hero you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more creative art journeys.